All right, good morning. So today on the ES, we are not super interested in trading, but if we get a strong move up or down, it could be a good opportunity to take some supply and resistance. However, in the overnight, I want to point this out, there was a great swing trade that triggered in and we've bounced up from there. So if I'm holding this at this point, I'm just going to hold it and see if we can make all new all-time highs. Otherwise, this could turn into a break even or loss depending on how it plays out. But this is the trade I would have wanted to catch. Then taking a look at the other index markets, overall, they are all from a shorter term standpoint widely in do nothing. Let's just stay away from them for today. Then when it comes over to oil, we have a situation that I'm looking for more of a pullback and then a new uptrend to start taking place. If we get a pullback somewhere into this area or lower, I'll be watching the shorter time frame to see if we can roll back to get higher. So if that happens, I'll be getting long, otherwise not going to touch it. The other case for oil, if we do go higher, then I would be potentially looking for some supply levels up above. But for now, I'm just going to wait and see and keep an alert on those. Gold and natural gas, not going to touch those today either. Copper, I did trigger into a long trade here this morning. It's one that I don't have high hopes for, but I did know there was some demand down here. We've already bounced off of it. It looks like price is going to consolidate to break lower, so would not be surprised to take out these lows. If we do take out these lows, then at that point, I will be looking to repeat the same sort of buy setup. But for now, it's not looking great on that trade, but it's more of a, if it happens, it's a great payout for that. Then on the euro, we have sold off a bit more. So I am willing to look for some long setups on here if they present themselves, because we are so oversold, knowing that they have to be a high reward payout to justify taking them, because it is also likely that they could be chopped 5,000 paper cuts. And then we have news today, 8:30 and 10. So just be mindful, keep an eye on tweets. In the overnight, we had some geopolitical developments affecting oil. And so we're just keeping an eye on what the Fed does right now and the Treasury yields for the larger picture. So hope you all stay safe today and happy trading.